students, welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teachers. In this video, I come with the exercise 2.5 of question number 1. Let's see. Here we have to solve the following linear equation. This is given x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So, we have the variable in both sides. So, we have to transfer this variable to one side, that is LHS here, and the constant will be in the RHS. So x by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4. This is minus sign, so after transpose it will be plus. Okay. Here we have to get LCM. 3 2s are 6. 3x minus 2x equal to, here 5 4s are 20 LCM. 5 plus 4. Here x by 6 equal to 9 by 20. So I can transfer this 6. This is division. So I can multiply here. Okay. X equal to 9 by 20 into 6. So 2 3s are 6. 2 10s are 20. So what I am getting here, x equal to 27 by 10. So this is your answer for first question. Okay students, let's see question number 2. Okay, here what is the variable here? You can see that n is the variable. So this is unknown, we have to solve for that. Here all is n in one side. Okay, so it is, so we have to take LCM here. I am taking 24. So 2 12s are 24. 4 6 are 24. So 6 into 3 is 18n. 6 4s are 24 means 4 5s are 20n equal to 21. Okay. So here you can write 20 plus 12, what it will be, that is 32n. Okay, minus 18n upon 24 equal to 21. This 24 I can write here. So here 32 minus 18. So 12 minus 8 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 14 and equal to 21 into 24. Okay. I cannot multiply directly. I will transfer this one, then I will cut it. So it will be easy. Upon 14. So 21 and 14 will be cancelled by 7. So 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. Here 2 1s are 2 12s are 24. So what I am getting here, n is equal to 36. So it is so easy for me. This is the solution for question number 2. Okay students, now let's see question number 3. Okay, here we have to solve the linear equation. This is the linear equation. So for variable x, it is given x. For unknown x, we have to solve this. So we have to, what we have to do, x minus 8x by 3. This minus sign will be here plus. You have to transpose all the x terms in the one side. Okay, and constant terms in the other side. So here it is plus 7. So I am getting here minus 7. What will be LCM? 3 2s are 6. So here I am getting 6x. 8 2s are 16x. 2 3s are 6. So 3 5s are 15x here equal to 6 here LCM. So 17 minus 6 7s are 42. I can cancel this 6 and this 6. Okay, it is same. So 16 minus 15 is 1. 6x minus x equal to, there is 12 minus 7 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. So what I am getting here, 5x. Here it is minus sign because the larger number had sign minus. So 5x equal to minus 25. Here it is multiply with x. So we have to divide with this. x equal to minus 25 divided by 5. 5 5s are 25. So what I am getting, x equal to minus 5. So this is the answer for question number 3. Now students, let's see question number 4. Here we have to solve for x. Here you can cross multiply this one. Okay, this 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. So we have to open this bracket by multiplying. 5x minus 5 5 is 25 is equal to 3x minus 3 3 is 9. Okay, so 5x minus 3x equal to minus 9 plus 25. So I am getting here 2x equal to 25 minus 9 is 16. So what I am getting here, 16 divided by 2, 2 8s are 16. So answer is x equal to 8. So this is the answer for question number 4. Okay students, now let's see question number 5 here. So here it is given t as variable. So we have to solve for t here. You can take LCM, 4 3 is 12 here and 3 here. So it is the cross multiplication, 3 into 3t minus 2 minus 4 into 2t plus 3. Okay, here 2 minus 3t. So we have to open this bracket. 3 3 is 90 minus 3 2 is 6 minus 4 2 is 80 minus 4 3 is 12 here. Divide by 12 is equal to 2 minus 3t divide by 3. So 9 minus 8 is t minus, here 12 minus minus 6 and minus 12 means minus minus is plus. So here I have to add 6 plus 2 8 and 1 here. So t minus 18 divided by 12, 2 minus 3t divided by 3. So I can cancel here, 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. T minus 18 is equal to 4. I can cross multiply here, 4 into 2 minus 3t. So t minus 18 is equal to 4 2s are 8 minus 4 3s are 12t. Okay. Here t plus 12t is equal to 8 plus 18. Here I am getting 13t, 8 plus 8 is 16 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is multiplication with 13. So I can divide here, 13 1s are 13 2s are 26. So what I am getting here, value of t is 2. Okay, so this is the solution for question number 5. Now students, let's see question number 6. Here you can see that here which is the variable, m is the variable here. Okay, so we have to solve for m. Here 2 is LCM, so 2m minus m plus 1, minus minus is plus, okay, is equal to 3 minus m plus 2. Okay, so here I am getting m plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5, not 6. 3 plus 2 is 5 minus m divided by 3. We have to cross multiply here. 3m plus 3 is equal to 5 2s are 10 minus 2m. So we have to transpose here, 3m plus 2m is equal to 10 minus 3. 5m, here 10 minus 3 is 7. So what I am getting, m is equal to 7 by 5. So this is your answer for question number 6. Now students, let's see, that is question number 7. We have to simplify and solve the following linear equation. So we have to simplify first, okay, then we have to calculate for unknown variable, that is t. We have to open the bracket, that is 3t minus 3 is a 9 here 5 2 is a 10t plus 5. Okay, so here 3t minus 10t is equal to 5 plus 9. Okay, I transpose here. So 10 minus 3 is 7t minus 7t equal to 9 plus 5 is 14. Here t is equal to 14 divided by minus 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. Means t is equal to minus 2 is the answer for question number 7. Okay students, this is the equation here. We have to solve for variable y. So let's solve this. We have to open the bracket, all the three brackets. 15y, 15 4s are 60, minus 2y plus 9 2s are 18, plus 5y plus 6 5s are 30 equal to 0. Okay, here you can see y terms will be added. That is here 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 minus 2 is 18. So I am getting here 18y. Then here you can see 30 plus 18 is 48. So minus 60 plus 48 equal to 0. So we have to write here 18y. What I will get? Minus plus is minus. So 10 minus 8 is 2 and here 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. So I can transfer this minus 12 to here. Okay. So y is equal to, this is multiply. So what we have to do here? To transfer in the denominator. So 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So y is equal to 2 by 3 is the your answer for question number 8. Now students, here you can see which is the variable here, z. Okay, so we have to first simplify, that is we have to open the bracket. 3 5s are 15z, 3 7s are 21, that is minus 21. Okay, one by one we have to multiply. Let's see here, 2 9s are 18z, here minus sign, so it is minus, here minus minus will be plus. So what is here? 2 11s are 22, right? Then here 4 8s are 32z minus 4 13s are 52, here minus 17. Okay, it is z, it is 22. So we have to calculate with, we have to sum up the z terms. 15z minus 18z minus 32z. I am writing z term in one side and constant in one side. That is minus 52 minus 17 minus 22 plus 21. Here you can see that 15z minus 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 is carry, 3 4 5, 50z. Here minus minus is plus, so 7 plus 2 is 9, 5 plus 1 6. Here minus 22 plus 21, that is minus 1. Okay, here minus plus is minus. Here we have to subtract this one. 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 1 is 3. So minus sign is here equal to minus 70. Okay, so minus minus will be cancelled here. Z is equal to 70 by 35. So 7 10s are 7 5s are 5 1s are 5 2s are 10. So what I am getting, value of z is 2. This is the answer for question number 9. Okay students, this is the last question of exercise 2.5, that is question number 10. Here you can see that here it is the decimal number. So I can write decimal number in the fraction. Here after decimal, how much number is here? 2. So I can write this 100 bracket 4f minus 3. Here also it is 2. So 5 by 100, 10f minus 9. So 100 100 I can cancel here. Okay, 25 fours are 100. Then we have to open the bracket here. 25 threes are 75. 5 tens are 50f. 9 fives are 45. Right? So we have to transfer this f. This here, which is the variable? F. Okay. So we have to calculate for f. 100f minus 50f equal to minus 45 plus 75. So we have to minus here. 100 minus 50 is 50f equal to 75 minus 45 is 30. So f is equal to 30 by 50. 0 0 is cancelled. So what is the answer here? F is equal to 3 by 5. So you can see that it is easily solved by converting into fraction. Okay. Okay students, in the next video I will come with exercise 2.6. That is also the based on the cross multiplication. It is so easy also, and please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Till then, bye, take care, and okay, thanks.